The Greek General Staff has approved the acquisition of 14 AW-139 search and rescue helicopters from Italy for the Hellenic Air Force. During the Greek General Staff Council meeting held on December 7, 2023, the green light was given for the procurement of 14 AW-139 search and rescue helicopters for the Greek Air Force. According to information obtained during the meeting, the Greek Air Force presented a file containing the technical specifications and cost of the prospective helicopters, with no objections from relevant command forces regarding the presentation. The supply of AW-139s has been finalized. It is mentioned that, in addition to the AW-139 by Leonardo, Italy, other candidates included the Airbus H-175 and Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk helicopters. Out of the 14 helicopters to be purchased, 4 will be configured for combat search and rescue combat SAR missions. According to Greek sources, helicopters in this configuration must feature elements such as a ballistic protected main gearbox, armored protection in the cabin and critical points, flare and shaft countermeasure, equipment, missile warning systems, and a Link 16 data link. Operational criteria specify a minimum helicopter range of 180 miles with a SAR team of 4 individuals. A minimum stay time at the incident area is considered appropriate at 1.5 hours. The helicopters will weigh at least 6.8 tons and be capable of reaching speeds exceeding 145 knots, a requirement for SAR missions. Regarding training and support, the helicopter supply will also include spare parts and a complete training simulator to ensure maximum availability and a minimum of 3,500 to 4,000 flight hours per year. Data provided by the manufacturer reportedly gives the AW-139 from Italy a clear advantage in terms of acquisition, maintenance cost, and support. So far, over 1140 AW-139 helicopters have been sold to 90 countries, accumulating more than 3.7 million flight hours. At least 500 AW-139s have been sold in SAR configurations, capturing 53% of the global market and surpassing 1 million flight hours in SAR and medevac missions. Another advantage of the AW-139 is its top-ranking speed in its class, reaching 165 nm, which is over 300 kilometers per hour. Additionally, its long range up to 5 hours at a distance of 1,200 km allows it to fly long distances from its base.